Hello friends, you're watching Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable or disable assistive ball in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to enable or disable assistive ball feature in Realme GT 5G or Master Edition, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just open settings and then go to advanced features and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to enable assistive ball.